Welcome back. Well, the union government is planning sweeping changes to the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Sources say the bankruptcy process could be split into two to ensure quicker resolution and fewer litigations. Sapna Das is here with more details on what she's picking up. Sapna?
Well, the government may have certain significant amendments in mind to the IBC. What could be under discussion is as follows. Number one, probably structuring a resolution plan in two parts, basically the bid and the distribution of money. Here, probably the suggestion is that the adjudicating authorities should give a quicker approval to bids once they come in from the COC. This will help the new promoter come into the picture immediately and not wait for the distribution of money to actually start. The money that's undisputed can be given out to stakeholders in the first stage itself, but the disputed part of the money can be kept separately in an escrow account, wait for the litigation to be over, and then that can be taken forward. So this is one. Second, introducing a challenge mechanism into the IBC. There has been a lot of discussion on this in the past as well, but not included in the law so far. So there is a serious consideration that this should be made part of IBC. This will help cut delays and also maximize the value of potential bids. Last but not the least, also, probably the government will need to clarify on the immunity already granted to new promoters under IBC. In the past, some courts have allowed fresh proceedings, legal proceedings against the new promoters. So this has raised questions in the minds of potential bidders. The government will need to clarify on this once again, because that will be very important and significant in giving comfort to potential bidders to come forward, to salvage companies under IBC. These are some of the proposals that we are given to understand. We have to wait and watch and see how all of this pans out.
Okay, Sapna, thank you so much for joining us with those important details. Moving on, months after Maiden Pharma, another Indian pharmaceutical company finds itself in the dock, the Uzbekistan Health Ministry has claimed that 18 out of 21 children who were administered a cough syrup manufactured